Podcast. I'm Siti Hamidah and my friend
Rahma Wahyuni.
we from the Islamic Psychology Department. If you are on this podcast, I think you are in the right place because this podcast will discuss the phenomena that are currently hot in Indonesia, namely early marriage. Surely, you are curious about what we want to discuss.
Are you familiar with the term early marriage? Yes, early marriage is still a serious problem in our country, even though the government has raised the minimum age for marriage. There are still many children who are not aware of the impact for marriage on the future life.
In fact, now 1 in 9 girl is married before age of 18. Indonesia is in the top 10 countries with the higher percentage of early marriage,
I don't agree with the children married under the age of 18 because a psychological perspective, they are not yet emotional mature and their thinking is still unstable.
The government doesn't agree with this. They also provide a solution to raise the minimum age for marriage, which was originally 16 years to 19. Do you think the government is effective in providing that solution?
Actually, it's an effective solution, but the solution is not enough. The government must facilitate access to quality education and there provide early marriage education.
It's good idea to reduce percentage of early marriage with the education. They can complete their education up to school level before getting married.
Yes, because if they have graduated from high school, they have a similar chance of getting married than junior high school graduates. Because in high school graduates, teenagers might have to start to open up.
It is firstly because of the open mind that teenagers and think about whether they choose to get married or do something else, such as being able to work or continue higher education.
In my opinion, at the age when searching for their identity, many girls lose their way until they become pregnant out of wedlock. How role is it to educate them not do that?
In my opinion, the main role is to control sexual desires before marriage is assessed by their parents and teachers. But the government also includes sex education in the learning curriculum. You agree?
I agree.
I also agree.
I think it's an effective solution because early childhood education can help them deal with the psychological and emotional changes when entering puberty.
It is effective. In my opinion, it depends on which family they come from. If they come from a family with a lower middle class economy, it will affect their economy as will it increase the percentage of poverty in the country itself.
Talking about children who marry early, what do you think about this? Whether it can make the economic trouble or detrimental to the country?
Well, from a psychology perspective, Their age is not yet able enough to manage emotion in the household because are still unstable in making decisions.
Yes, I agree with the psychological perspective.
For my younger siblings who are still 19 years old and under, it's better for you to focus on your education. First, because early marriage is not the solution to get out of the poverty zone.
And you are not ready physically and mentally. Because in my village, there are also early marriages that are pressured by parents to pay off debts or reduce the family economic burden. Because if you marry based on that, you will not be happy and even mentally and physically depressed.
Okay, that's all for our podcast this time. Hopefully, it can educate and motivate you all.